Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to another video. I'm just looking at my mom that's right next to me. But today I'm going to be doing a dog cam. And that dog cam is going to be with my two pretty puppies. One right there and one right there. Yeah, my mom loves dogs. And we had to take two, but the mother died unfortunately of poisoning. That dog that we had, the mother we had for a couple years, but she unfortunately died at the age of my age. Actually, she died at the age of 7 from poisoning, from probably a frog or a snake or see in Spanish, maha. But yeah, if you guys can smash a like button for this dog cam, he does amazing. If you could hit 10 likes for this first dog cam, I know I'm asking for really big likes. For my other channel, I used to do like 5 likes, 10 likes, like 6 likes, and like 7 likes. But I'm not doing that anymore. This is a new channel, and we're gonna have to bring it all out. So yeah, and then that subscribe button is red. Hit it, it's great, and push the little bell to turn on my post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'm just looking at my dogs. Of course they have collars, but if you hear like TV noises, if you think they're TV noises, then it's literally right there. John Wick. So yeah, right now I'm gonna do the dogs in 3, 2, 1. Peace. Yeah, at 8 p.m. I'm gonna have to end the video. Probably not, because that's not the floor. Look at the pink collar. Look at the black collar. Right there. He has such a little tail though. Why does that look like an otter face? Why does his tail at the end look like a face? Wait, I have to get like a pillow that's under them. My God, why are you licking the camera? Hey, puppy cam. See, I'm just trying to get this little thing out. That's under them. Move out the way. Wait, I have to do something right now. The dogs. What is my dog doing? Oh my God, why is he eating the camera? Why is he eating the camera? Look at this dude, no. That's a dog. I'm trying to get the pillow out. But I think he likes it. Yeah, the other dog's just minding her own business. He's just there, and I have to take out this big bump that's a pillow. Saw, dude. Wait, what? Hi, me? I've got some Fila flip-flops. Oh my God. Ven, Cochito. Spanish. Ven, Cochito. Yo, now the other one's not minding her own business. Now she's coming to me. Oh my God, I have to lay down now. Oh my God. Oh my God. She's so hyper. Oh my God. Holy God. Holy God. Oh my God, that's gonna fall. It's gonna fall on her. Oh my God. Oh my God. She literally. Oh my God, she scratched me so hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. She's right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. She's literally. Guys. She's literally having so much fun. And then she just goes back to the pillow. She's having so much fun. Wait, no, don't tell me that you're coming. Don't tell me that you're coming. Oh my god, no, don't eat the camera like your sister did. Well, I mean, you did it twice. Hey, give me your paw. Okay, you don't listen because you're a puppy. Oh my god, what the... Holy god. Oh my god, it's a puppy attack. Guys, there's so many puppies. I mean, there's only two, but why? Oh my god. Guys, help me. Oh my god, I feel a swag. My god, one puppy comes, and then the two puppies come and army me. But now they're there, minding their own business. Mencochito, Spanish. Mencochito. Ay. Tita. Tita. Oh my god, no. Why would I call you? I didn't mean you, but I said both of your names. Oh my god. Don't eat the camera like your brother did. Don't eat the camera. Don't eat the camera like your brother did. Oh my god. What are you doing? Why are you guys doing this? Why are you guys biting me? Why are you guys... Oh my god. Guys. Yeet. Hey. Hey. Over there. What's up? Oh my god. Not again. No. Oh my god, I saw they were fighting on the camera. Bro. They're literally fighting over a collar. They hate their collars. Mencochita. Little Spanish too. Mencochita. Look, they're happy. Oh god, not me again. Not me. I'm probably gonna get on the bed. I'm just letting somebody know. A lot of you guys know. Heart beeps. Cochita. Maybe that's why my brother said that they hate cameras. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you really hate that camera? Do you really hate that? Oh my god. He's so cute. Look at this dude though. What are you doing? Hey, don't do that. Hey, what you doing? He's trying to bite her leg. He's going in for the attempt. Oh my god. He's going in for the attempt. He's going in. Now they're just minding their own business. We need a fighting cam. Dog fighting cam. Hooray. This is a long dog cam. I'm just saying, bro. Okay, now I'm laying down with him. You guys are probably going to win. Never mind. Wait a minute. This guy can't even do it. He's so weak. Weaky. No biting the camera though. The camera's over here. No, the camera's over here. The camera's over here. Hey, I'm the cameraman. I'm supposed to be recording you. It's a dog cam, bro. Guys, I don't think they understand, but hi. Wait, you don't see me. Yeah, you do. Wait, no. You don't see me. Oh, wait, dog fighting camp. There we go. What we wanted. What you guys want. Dog fighting cam. They're brothers and sisters, I'm just letting you know. But they're some strong dogs. Their name is John Cena. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Baby girl, what you doing? Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look. He just keeps tapping at the camera. Oh, oh my god. Look at this dude. Oh. Hey, don't bark. Don't bark. Don't bark. Don't bark. She just mind her own business. Look at this dude, though. Look at this dude. She's like Albert Einstein. Bro, you don't see me. Oh, yeah, you do. Okay, now you don't see me. As you can see, I'm fixing my hair. Face reveal. Oh, and if you guys checked out my making slime video, check that out. Back to the dog cam. Dude, what you doing to your own sister? Look, I'm gonna get a close up to these dogs. Hopefully they don't attack the camera. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes, they are. How am I supposed to get away from one of the dogs? How am I supposed to get? Oh my god, this is a real close up. I'm not even zooming in. I'm actually like going to the dog right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, stop snapping at the camera. Yo. Close up to his mouth though. Close up to his tongue though. Guys, intermission. These dogs are furious at cameras. I did a video on them. They literally snapped at me. Oh, Mom's a killer. Remember when they were babies? Look how much they've grown. Then and now. Close up to the mouth again. Hey, mind your own business. Dog heart. Dog wee wee. That's a dog wee wee right there. Is biting on the neck. Ah! So yeah, guys, this video has been a long video, but there's 5 minutes left. My favorite number, 17. Hey, guys, listen to the camera. Oh my god, dude. He's like a megalodon dog. He's bigger than my credit score. When I don't even have a credit score, bro. He's bigger than no credit score. Oh, now she's just disgusting. Yo, don't snap at the camera. I told you. How many times do I have to tell you? Do not snap at the camera. Hey, don't snap at the camera. Don't snap at the camera. Oh my god. Holy god. He's furious at cameras now. Holy god. Don't even look. Mami, ellos están jugando conmigo. Now I'm just gonna go up to them. Guys, you guys cannot be doing that. So yeah, guys, smash that like button. This is my face when I see the dogs. Yeah, this is my face. I'm not Chinese. I don't eat dogs, okay? I don't eat dogs. Da, na, 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 na. Da, na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Da, na. Yeah, guys, if you guys can smash that like button, you guys are amazing.